What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff, and welcome to the Nike factory store. First up, how about this Jordan 4? And they have 3 stocks in here, so this kind of return or leftover from a different store, but the colorway is kind of cool though, but they are on retail, so I might gonna pass. So how about the Jordan 1? This one is a woman's some kind of exclusive sneaker, but it's kind of ugly, and the leather and the quality, I don't know, but for retail, no, I won't be able to get them for resale or for personal. So we have a return from a Nike by You, made by Dwayne. So this one is a pass also. How about $79.97 with additional 30% with this Air Max 720 with this kind of bold colorway? Not bad for personal pair, but the price still is high for resale. Alright, moving on the hash wall or the clearance wall. So we have a 30%. So look at this one. We have the Shield running shoes. Check that out. And $59.97. If I'm not mistaken, this should be on the other wall, which is $39, but I'm not sure. Alright, look at this one. Another return. It's a Super Rep running shoes, Nike Air Zoom Super Rep. The colorway is not bad with the black and white-ish, so not bad for running shoes. And we got some 55, size 9, not bad with additional 30%. And we have some 87, Element 87, but it's 19. The price still high for me. This one same. The Element 55, just like what shown you the earlier one. How about $84.99? No additional discount for the Jordan Max. How about this one, kind of patent leather? No additional discount, $89. Flight, $99. The color is not bad though. I like that one, and the transparent colorway. So Jordan 3, Animal Instinct 0.1, and they are still on resale. How about this one, $79.97 with the additional 30%? Ugly looking basketball shoes, pass. So running shoes, $69.99. It was more cheaper last time. This one also, they don't have a discount. Last time I had a discount, so another $59.97 with this running shoes. I bought this one during the promotion. And how about this one? Oh, this one is still sitting here and no one's buying it for $59.97, additional 30. Okay, running shoes. How about the Epic React Flyknit 2, $74.97 with the additional 30%? Not bad for the price and for the collection. This one, $39.99. The Shield, I would love to have this one in the collection, but I'm still gonna wait. If they have additional 30, then I'm gonna cop. But I did cop when they had a 2020. So $49.99 with the Element 55, no additional discount. That one is also don't have the additional discount. This one don't have additional discount. But this is surprisingly $99.99. This kind of something ugly. Should I say ugly? Well, comp's not really good, and this one no resale value. All right, $59.99 on this one. What do you think? Well, wish they could have more cheaper, but pass. Air Max DNA Winter. So we are in women's section, so I'm gonna cap this one $59.97 with additional 30%, but particularly I'm gonna move to a particular size. So the different one, the other colorway $59.97, this one there's a lot of it, so I'm gonna pass. This one also, shock, 59.99, no additional discount. I wish they have additional discount so I could cut them, but now, not right now. I'll wait out. And still in the kids section, so we have a lot of good deals, a lot of 30% discount. So it's because of back to school promotion. As you can see, a lot of 30%, 30%, 30%. So most of the kids shoes have the additional 30%. Not bad for the price, but I'm still gonna pass for resale. So as you can see, more kid shoes, just like this one, 69, the Epic React. Well, how about that one, 59, another 69 with the 30. Not bad for the one. With the patent leather, colorway, black and red. Well, it's not bad for kids though. Well, how about this one, 69 with additional 30. Nice color with that white and a little bit red-ish bottom. 79 with this one, Jordan. Another Jordan 312, 79. And some running shoes. Oh, check this out. One of the cheapest one, 39.97 with the additional 30%. That is a really good deal for kids. Moving on. Nope. But this one have a 30%, so still not bad though. So going back to this one, I really want to get me one of this for resale, 39.97, but the com is not really doing well. Pass. Okay, still on kids, so we are in some kind of toddler on this one now. Same 30%, lot of good deals. Check this out, 59.97 with additional 30% with the Skyri. Wow, not bad though, not bad at all. How about this one, 29 and another 49 with additional 30%. Lot of good deals and back to school promotion with the 30% and the clearance wall or on the hash wall. So check that out. 7U, 34.99. This slide or slippers, not bad on this one. See, GS slide and the price $9.97. I wish could get me one of those though. Alright, welcome home. So I didn't bought that a lot today, even though there's a lot of 30% off discounts, especially on kids, young adult, because of the back to school promotion. So I went in to get me only these 3 of this one and some of the Jordan 4's toddler. Let me explain to you what this I got. This one we got the women Nike Air Max, the IA Winter. The retail on this one is $130. Bought them for $59.97 with the additional 30%. There you go. As you can see, not bad for a very huge midsole. Kinda a lot of air thing going on, probably something. But anyway, nice also. Yep. Okay. All right. There you go. So $59.97 additional 30%. So somewhere around 41, 42. The main reason I only got this one, especially pick up only size 9.5, and checking on the comms before buying them, there's only one listed, but there's a lot of sold item, not just 9.5, but there's other sizes being sold. So what I did is just get me the size 9.5 and then left behind the other sizes, because some of the other sizes not really, they are really selling, but not that a huge amount of return of investment. So I don't want to have like $5 returns of investment though. So checking on discounts, there are other reseller is selling for 80 something, 83, but I'm gonna list it on lower than that, some probably some more 79, and then buyer also paid for the shipping. So that's why I only pick up 3, because this is the only one that they have in the store. I wish I could have like 5 of them. So but anyway, I only grabbed 3 because that's the only one they have, and listing them for less than the competition, and then shipping would be paid by the buyer. So that's what I did on this one. Okay, so moving on with the Jordan 4 Retro Toddler. Look at this one. It's the FIBA colorway. Already sold a lot of the men's FIBA colorway of this type, so that's why I got this one. Especially the price of this one is, the retail is $60, and we got them for $29.97 with the additional 30%. So somewhere around 29 or something like that. So not bad for this one. Especially some of them I got those. Okay, so check this out. So this one is on display, and this is the only one on the hash wall. So what I did, so if you're looking into it, if you have in the clearance wall, ask for someone who's working there if they have more on the back. So that's what I did. I asked them, if you can scan this one, can you check out if you have more on the back? So that's what happened. So that's why this other 4 still have the top cover, and the other one don't have a top cover. So be on the lookout. If you find something that really profitable on the clearance wall, don't hesitate to ask employee if they have more on the back. Okay, but this one I'm gonna list it like $70. I'm gonna list them over the retail. Especially this one is Jordan 4 Retro Toddler. Some family member, daddy, mommy, would like to buy them. That will be somewhat just the same with they have like the FIBA men's shoes or the women's shoes. So what do you think on this one? Well, it is a good one to have the sale and back to school, but there's not a lot of markdown, so I'll get what can I get. This is the thing I can get in the Nike factory store. I hope I could find something in the next outlet the next day. So with that being said, I hope you learned something today, and hope you like this haul. And if you really like it, can you please leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.